I am tired of staying inside. Me too.
I have an idea. Let's visit our village farm.
A real farm? That sounds exciting! Will do baby animals?
Yes, lots of animals.
I can't wait!
Pack only what you need.
I packed my favorite hat. I am ready.
Everyone ready?
Yes! Let's go to the farm.
Everything is so green here.
The countryside is beautiful.
We are getting close to the farm. Welcome to the farm, Grandpa!
We are so happy to be here.
This village is so peaceful.
I like it here.
It feels very different from the city.
Look at all the animals. The goats are so cute.
They are part of our farm family. Let's feed the chickens.
They are so hungry. This is fun.
Look what the chickens gave us today. Fresh eggs.
This is amazing. Wow, the cows are huge.
They are very gentle animals.
I like them.
Let's take a tractor ride.
There are so many vegetables.
We grow them right here on the farm.
Everything looks so fresh.
Let's harvest some vegetables.
I picked a big tomato and a carrot.
Lunch is ready. I am very hungry.
Fresh air makes food taste better.
Be patient and stay quiet.
I think I got one. This is exciting. The sunset is beautiful.
This is my favorite moment.
I never want this day to end.
Come visit again soon.
We will, Grandpa. Thank you for everything.
What was your favorite part of the farm?
Feeding the chickens and riding the tractor. I loved everything.